Hey, thanks for making it a Veterans Info Tap. I'm glad you made it. I just wanted to send out this quick reminder about the forms that you use with the VA, and wanted to give you also the top 3 forms that are utilized directly from the VA. So the VA knows what forms are being submitted. What are the top 3, right? You may have them already in your mind. Let's see if your guess is right. I'll go through that at the end. First, I wanted to do this almost like a public service announcement. You always want to make sure that you are utilizing the most current and up-to-date form for whatever thing you're filing for with the VA. And the best way to do that is to utilize the forms specifically located on the VA's website. If you have downloaded a form in the past, or a friend sends you a form in an email to fill out, or you're getting it from somewhere else, it might not be up to date and will cause you a bunch of heartache. So make sure that you're utilizing the correct form. The reason why I'm putting this out there is because I did get a notification from the VA on one of their news feeds, and it's just mostly a reminder. And I wanted to read through some of the things they're saying here, and then I'll give you those top 3 forms that are being utilized as well. So basically, this little article says, always download the latest VA PDF form from the VA Forms website. Need to complete a veteran-related form? Adobe has implemented new certificates that enable fillable portable document format, PDF, forms in Adobe Reader. VA has replaced those certificates so that veterans, VA staff, veteran service organizations, and others can continue downloading and filling out needed forms from VA websites without interruption. So the VA has made it easier for you to access and utilize these forms. Take note of these suggested tips to access and complete PDF forms following this change. Before completing a PDF form, download it directly from VA's website instead of using an older version saved locally on your computer or network drive. If you try to use an outdated form, you will not be able to access certain features, and you will receive an error message. So even if it is the correct form, the certificates have not been altered by VA to allow you to successfully complete the form. So that's another important factor here. It also says if you downloaded older forms, you should always download new copies from VA's website going forward. Most are available on the public-facing VA Forms website. What are the most common used VA forms, you may ask? Well, here's the 3. The Form 20-0995, that is your supplemental claim decision review request. A veteran can use this form if they disagree with a VA claim decision and want to provide new evidence to support their claim. So that's the supplemental claim, and again, that is 20-0995. The next one is higher level review, decision review request. It's VA 20-0996. 20-0996. This form requests a higher level review of a claim decision received based on the evidence of record at the time VA issued the prior decision. So it's a second set of eyes from a higher level reviewer on the decision that was made. So again, the higher level review, and that is Form 20-0996. The next bullet here is disability compensation and related compensation benefits application. VA Form 21526 EZ. This is your claim form. This is the main starting it, getting it out the gate, going to file your claim form. Veterans submit this form to apply for VA disability compensation pay and related benefits, according to this VA website. So, just wanted to share that information. The big piece here is to always use the forms directly from the VA's website, because you'll ensure that they're the most current and up to date. And then even if you do have a current up to date form somewhere, the VA has worked with Adobe to, reconfigure certificates, so forth, so that way you can actually fill out everything within that fillable form and not have any errors or disruptions trying to complete the form. So with that, I'll go ahead and conclude it. Thank you so much. I appreciate each and every one of you. And remember, if we don't take care of each other, something went wrong.